how to change author name in Shopify blog posts. Here's what you want to do. First, you'll use the search bar to search for user. And here we just want to click on, if this manages to load, of course, we are going to click on users and permissions. So you want to add first the person or the new author here from the staff accounts section. You want to click on add, but you will need a subscription for this. If you want to get the best deal, make sure you check out the pinned comment. All right, so once you have added the person here to your store, then the second thing will be going into content, and then you want to go into blog posts. So right here, when creating a new blog post or adding a new blog post, if you scroll down, you will see author here, the author section. If you have them added from the previous or using the previous method that I showed you, then you can choose them here from this field where it says author, and then you can click on save, and that is going to change the author. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.